안녕하세요. Hello, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. This is ninth lesson of my Korean alphabet curriculum. I have been teaching you the Korean alphabet. Actually, we learned a lot of things. So if you missed the previous ones, you can come to my playlist that is called Korean alphabet and watch the video from lesson 1 step by step. We are learning diphthong. We already learned 6 diphthong in the previous video. Now I'm gonna tell you 7 more diphthongs today. Let's get started. First of all, I want to let you know that I prepared a free writing material. You can download it through the link in the description below. I think it is very helpful for your writing practice, okay? We learned Y diphthong in the previous lesson, and I'm gonna tell you 6 W diphthong and 1 more combined vowel. I will show you one by one. W diphthong always start from unclear and very quick W sound. Look at this first one. This is W diphthong. This diphthong is combination of vowel O and A, and it sounds like wa, wa. The sound starts from unclear W and finish with vowel A, wa, wa. I think it sounds like WA in English. Yeah, I think it is the same. Let's pronounce wa sounds 5 times together. Wa, 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 wa. And what if I put some consonants to vowel wa? You want to try to read them, right? They are kwa, nwa, pwa, chwa, hwa. Does it make sense? Good. You already know how to write vowel O and A. So writing wa is very simple. Just draw O first and then A. That is wa. Okay? Now it's your turn to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Good on you guys, let's move on to the next one. Next one is this. It looks like a combination of basic vowel U and O. U, O. If I pronounce very quickly, there is wo. Actually, it sounds start from unclear W sound and finish with vowel O. Wo, wo. Don't read it wo. You should try to read it very quick as one syllable. Wo. Let's pronounce it 5 times together. Wo. Wall, 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 wall. Good. I will put some consonants to vowel wall. Try to read. Twa, mo, chwa, cho, ho. How was it? Can you read them? Just try to read until you get used to it. When you write it, draw U first, because although writing Hangul is always left to right and top to bottom, so U is the first, and then draw O next to U. And you have to be careful. This tiny horizontal line should be under the long horizontal line. Okay? Try to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Good. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is this. This character has basic vowel U and E, and its sound starts from unclear W and finish with E. We. Yeah, it is the same as when you read English alphabet W-E, we. It is the same, but you have to pronounce very quick. We, right? Long time ago, this is not a diphthong. It was monophthong. But modern Korean people don't pronounce it like that anymore. Now we just read it we, like English word W-E. We. I just wanted to let you know that because maybe some of you guys already learned the Korean alphabet and they might have a question. My teacher said it is not diphthong. It is kinds of basic vowel. That is true in the Korean history, but now it is hardly found people who pronounce it we don't say like that anymore. I was born in Seoul, I grew up there, and I have never met people who pronounce this vowel so you can just consider this is we. Okay? Let's pronounce it 5 times together. We. And if I put some consonants to vowel we, they are 귀, 뉘, 쉬, 쥐, 퀴. Good. When you write we, you should draw vowel U first and then draw a vertical line. It doesn't matter if this vertical line meets U or not, just draw a vertical line. Now it's your turn to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Good, let's move on to the next one. They are the next one. I'm showing you 3 vowels together because they have almost the same sound. We write them differently, but pronounce them exactly the same. It is we, starting from quick W sound and finish with a, we. Let's pronounce them 5 times together. We. First way is also was a monophthong long time ago. It sounds was but we don't say like that anymore. You can consider those 3 are we, right? I will put some consonants to them. Let us read them together. 괴, 뇌, 퇴, 최, 회. Okay? You know what the writing Hangul is always? Left to right and top to bottom. So when you write first way, draw vowel O first and then put the vertical line on the right. And second way is also drawn from vowel O and then put A. And last one, it has U and A, so you have to draw U first and then put A. Be careful, this little horizontal line should be under the horizontal line of U, okay? That is we. Okay, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Well done, let's move on to the next one. This is the last one. As you see, this is composed of vowel U and E. Writing is simple, just draw horizontal line and vertical line. Easy. But the problem is pronunciation. I guess it is complicated for you because maybe you are not familiar with U sound, so it can be difficult to pronounce U sound very quickly and continue to pronounce E. U, E. U, E. If I pronounce it normal speed, that is 의, 의. Let's pronounce 의 5 times together. 의, 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 의. Okay, now we finished all the diphthong and we finished all the Korean alphabet as well. If this lesson is helpful for you, just hit the like and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye! 감사합니다.